Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing access. Sign into iCloud. Calm or use the Find My app on a trusted device. Once signed in, choose the stolen iPhone and activate Lost Mode to lock it and display a contact message. You must enter your Apple ID password to proceed. This prevents someone else from resetting the phone. Also note the device serial or IMEI now and contact your carrier to suspend service. These steps stop access and give you authority to erase later. Next, you initiate the remote erase. In Find My, tap Erase iPhone and confirm with your Apple ID credentials. This schedules a factory wipe. If the phone is offline, the erase will occur automatically when it reconnects, so make sure you leave the command active. While waiting, change passwords for Apple ID, email, banking, and social accounts to block reauthentication. Once done, remove the device from your account only after the erase completes to prevent activation lock issues for you later. Finally, verify the erase completed in Find My and then remove the device from your Apple ID if you plan to replace it. This avoids activation lock complications. If the erase doesn't execute because the device never reconnects, keep it in Lost Mode and contact Apple support with your proof of purchase so they can advise next steps. Make sure you file a police report and inform your carrier. If anything goes wrong, check account activity and reset critical passwords immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.